all-natural DIY feminine wash. Some name brands claim to be all-natural, but upon closer examination, this wasn't really true. Today's video discusses how to make your own natural feminine wash. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Safe ingredients for a DIY feminine wash. Vinegar will kill any bacteria and help keep the vagina at the proper pH. Chamomile tea makes a great gentle cleanser with mild antibacterial properties. Slippery elm and marshmallow roots are soothing and cooling and can help reduce inflammations and help speed healing. Liquid soap will help hold anything foreign in suspensions until it can be rinsed away. Grapeseed oil is an excellent moisturizer, while lavender essential oil can help bacteria from forming. DIY feminine wash recipe. This is all natural DIY feminine wash homemade douche. Some name brands claim to be all natural, but upon closer examination, this wasn't really true. Ingredients: 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar, 3/4 cup chamomile tea, cooled, 2 tablespoons castile soap, 1 teaspoon grapeseed oil. You can also use jojoba oil or sweet almond oil. 5 drops lavender essential oil. Instruction: brew tea and allow it to cool. Mix all of this together and keep in a sealed glass jar. Shake your DIY feminine wash well and apply some of the soft washcloth. Gently clean the area, always rinsing well when finished. Notes: vinegar and lavender essential oil can burn if applied directly, so be sure to mix well. Use only once or twice a week to avoid irritation. Natural pH balance homemade douche recipe. Douching really isn't necessary and can affect the pH of delicate female part, potentially leading to problems. However, if you really want to use one, consider this natural homemade douche that will allow this delicate part to maintain the proper pH. Also consider using the DIY feminine wash. Ingredients: 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar, 3/4 cup distilled water. Instructions: to make a homemade douche, mix ingredients together and use as you would normally use a douche. Safer alternatives to feminine wash. The safest things to use as a feminine cleanser is water. Warm water flushes over the area is the best way to remove any accumulation of sweat, toxins from the environment, and anything else. Use a warm spray that is not too forceful, pat dry, or allowed to air dry. Are you going to try this? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.